Hi students, welcome to the class. So in this class, I will discuss with you one problem that which depends on the both the mirror formula as well as the magnification formula. So let me tell you that question is here an object 4 centimeters in size is placed at 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of a focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and the size of the image. So here observe the question and understand it and note down what are the quantities or parameters given in the problem. So here object height is mentioned and image distance we have to find out. That means indirectly he is given to find out the image distance here based on the screen position. So here always we are placing the screen in front of the mirror to obtain the image on the screen. That which type of image it is? Real image. So here indirectly in the question it is given the nature as real image. Here object distance is given as 25 centimeters and the focal length is given as 15 centimeters. Then here we have to say the size, that means characteristics of the image also. Then to decide the characteristics of the image, we have to use mirror magnification formula, that is m equal to minus v by u equal to hi by h naught. So first of all, we have to find out the position of the screen to obtain the image on it. Here use the mirrors formula, that is 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So before using this formula, I will note down the information given in the problem, that is height of the object h naught is given as 4 centimeters, object distance u is given as 25 centimeters, focal length is given as 15 centimeters, and in the problem asked to find out v equal to and hi, that is image height, we have to find out. So before substituting these in the formula, we need to apply sign convention rules. So here concave mirror parameters like focal length and radius of curvature, object distance always negative. So here according to that, here u equal to minus 25 we will write, f equal to minus 15, and object height is positive because always irrespective to the mirror we will place above the principal axis, so it is positive. Then note on the formula, that mirrors formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Here transpose to find out the required quantity here. So here 1 by v we need to find out. So first in the step you have to keep it that right side only, then remaining 1 by u transpose are sent to LHS side. So we will write as 1 by f minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. Then next 1 by v is LHS, then remaining is as RHS. 1 by f minus 1 by u is RHS. Now substitute the values in the formula. Which values are given? F and u. So here substitute according to the sign convention what we applied here. Here 1 by v is equal to 1 by f value is minus 15 minus 1 by u value is minus 25. Then here first of all denominator symbols transpose to the numerator, and if any product is there, multiply it. So here in the second fraction we have two symbols that we have to take it as product, so it minus into minus becomes plus. So we will write as minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25 here. So why it is become plus? Because of minus minus product. So 1 by 25 we are written as positive. Then next positive value I will write first term, then the negative value as second term. So it will make it easy for you without any confusion in a sign. Then here 1 by 25 minus 1 by 15. So here LCM. So don't confuse. For simple LCM, use the technique here. first take the denominators product. So here denominators are 25 and 15. So we'll write as 25 into 15. Then what about the numerators? Here to get numerator in the LCM, here take the product of first numerator to the second denominator and second numerator to the first denominator. Cross product of numerator and denominators. So 1 into 15, same symbol we are using, minus 1 into 25. So here complete the product. So you will get a 15 minus 25 by 25 into 15. So 15 minus 25 is equals to minus 10. Denominator is, I am not multiplying, 25 into 15 only to make it easy. Here in the next step we will cancel it. Here minus 10 by 25 into 15. So all are multiples of 5. So use the 5 table. 5 2 times 10. Then that 5 table is used to cancel any one of the denominator here. So 5 5 times is 25. So what is remaining? Denominator is 5 into 15 and numerator is 2. Here there is no common table to cancel it. So it will be written as minus 2 by 75. So what we got? 1 by v equal to minus 2 by 75. So we will write as minus 75 by 2. Minus 75 by 2. Then here that is cancelled, means you will get minus 37.25. So here simply you got the image distance as minus 37.5. Here minus is indicating us it is in front of the mirror according to sign convention. That means we have to put the screen at 37.5 centimeters distance in front of the mirror. First one is completed. So the next one is finding the size of the image. Here to find out the size of image, we need to use the formula, magnification formula, m equal to minus v by u, that equal to hi by h naught. So here we don't know the value of m. So here we need not to use this m in the formula. So second and the third one we can use. That means suppose here mathematically a is equal to b equal to c is given, means we can write three relations in this. A equal to b, b equal to c, or a equal to c. Likewise here I will use b equal to c here. That means minus v by u is equals to hi by h naught. So from this I need to find out that height of the image hi is equals to, so remaining will be transferred. Here hi is equals to, we will write as minus v by u into h naught. So here substitute the value of v, h naught and u in the given formula. That is here we will write as v value is, here you got 37.5. So I will not use that remained value as fraction. As it is, I am substituting for easy calculation purpose. So here v equal to minus 75 by 2. But here don't forget to drop that minus already given in the formula. So minus of minus 75 by 2 into h naught is 4 by u value according to sign convention, it is minus 25. So it is substituted. Then here if you have any fraction in the numerator, that you have to write as fraction value only, no need to write any reciprocal here. If you got that fraction in the denominator, you will write as a reciprocal here. So numerator fraction is written as minus 75 by 2 only. Here one more I forgot to say that here minus into minus will become plus, or that numerator minus and denominator minus we can cancel it. Here 3 times you got minus, so 1 time it will be left, or after cancelling 1 will be left. So that will be transferred here, minus 75 by 2 into 4 by 25. That is equals to, here cancel. After cancelling you will get a 6 centimeters. So how to cancel it? So here cancellation. So minus 75 by 2 into 4 by 25. Here there are common tables here, 2 and 25. So 2 times 2 is 4. So cancel. Then 25 3 times is 75. Cancel. So what is remaining? 3 times 2. That is 6. So minus is there. So we will write as minus 6. So what we got? hi is equals to, we got minus 6 centimeters. Here height of the image is negative. That is here according to sign convention it is measured below the principal axis, and height of the image is greater than height of the object, that says as enlarged image. So what we can write the characteristics of the image here according to the sign convention, inverted image, because minus 6 centimeters is measured height of the image, and that hi is observed greater than h naught. So we can say that is enlarged image. According to image distance, you observe that it is in front of the mirror. So in front of the mirror, that is on the screen, it is real image. So characteristics are real, inverted, and enlarged image. So it may be clear to you. So thank you. We will meet with the next class.